Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna hybrid XSE technology. Now the most notable features on this technology is its DVD player. You also have your heated front seats along with your blind spot monitoring. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna hybrid XSE technology. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this XSE technology is its daytime running lights. And then if we take a closer look, just at the front bumper, you have your parking sensors. Over on the side, you have the 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. And taking a look on the inside of the mirror, you're going to see your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with that indicator, it'll actually light up just so you know if there is another vehicle right beside you. Just to give you a better idea of what the second row looks like, as you can see, you have the second row captain seats. And then if you take a look in the second row windows, you have the sunshade visors. Taking a look up top, you have the DVD player as well. So the nice thing with that is you can entertain the kids on those long trips. One of the nice things that was added into the Sienna is this nice handle that goes basically from the top to the bottom. And if you take a look underneath here, you'll find the close button for the power sliding rear door. Now, parents, if you're worried about your kids, possibly yourself getting your hand or arm jammed to the door, it makes things a little bit easier for you because it does have the jam protection feature. So in the event that the door does senses there's an obstruction in the way, it'll open itself back up automatically. And then if you want to close it back up just by using the outside door handle, you can just pull on it once more. Or if you'd like, you can actually use the kick assist feature, which allows you to just kick underneath the side there of the panel, and then it will close for you automatically. Color we're going to be taking a look at today is white, and taking a closer look now at the center dash as well as the front seats is you have the leather interior with the power driver's seat with lumbar support, heated steering wheel along with your automatic high beams. And then if you take a look on the inside of the driver's side door, you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your scroll function, volume control, voice recognition, Bluetooth connectivity, lane departure alert, cruise control, mode select, and seek function. Now, it does come with the push button start, so all you have to do is push foot on the brake, the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So if we actually scroll through, you have a digital speedometer. With your fuel economy, you can also go through your compass, lane departure alert, audio, trip info with the energy monitor, tire pressure monitoring, settings menu with the lane trace assist, pre-collision system, blind spot monitoring on and off, parking sensors on and off, rear cross traffic alert, and a couple of other additional features, and you'll finish with your messages menu. Now, as you can see, it also has an exterior temperature gauge and digital clock on there as well. And taking a look at the center dash area, as you can see, you have your home screen view with 3 panels, but if you go inside the menu screen, you'll see your destination audio phone as well as a couple of other additional features. With the apps menu, it's part of the Entune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Slacker app, which allows you to stream your music from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Now, you do have the temperature control settings located down below with the heated seat controls for your driver and your passenger. You have a wireless charging pad and this shelf here, which actually extends from basically your driver's side all the way to your passenger side, where you can place smaller items, or if you want, you can connect it to your USB. And it's mounted to a automatic transmission with your EV mode and drive mode. Now, the nice thing in this new generation of Sienna is that you actually have this nice center console area. Before, it actually used to be just open space here, but you still have space underneath where you can actually place some items, and it also has a power outlet as well. Now, if you take a closer look up top here, you have the auto-dimming rear view mirror with an anti garage door opener controls, and then you also have the additional mirror, or camera, just in the mirror here, which makes things a little bit easier for you, especially when you're driving down the road and you see exactly how close behind somebody is following you, or if you want, you can use it as a secondary view for a backup camera. Open and close for the power sliding rear doors, as well as your power moonroof, and you have the SOS Safety Connect up top as well. Taking a look at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate, now located on your rear bumper. You're going to see your parking sensors located right across. On the back of the tailgate, you'll find the two additional cameras here. One will be for your backup camera and the other will be for your rear view mirror. And then your rear hatch release will be located in the center, so all you have to do is push on the button once and it will open up for you automatically. Closing in on the rear cargo space, as you can see, you have a 60-40 split for the third row, so in the event that you need additional space or additional passenger capacity, you have both available to you. Now, if you need some more additional space, you can actually use the left-hand side there to actually place some smaller items for yourself. And then over on the right-hand side, you'll find that power outlet as well. And then even from the third row, you can still enjoy that DVD player that's just located in the second row there. Second row captain seats. And then as you can see, with the power liftgate, it's actually readjustable. So if you hold down the button for approximately 2 seconds, the height you'd like it at, it'll beep a couple of times, and when you close it and open it again, it'll open up to this height. Now, the other nice thing is that you do have the kick assist feature. So once you're all finished up, if you want to actually open or close the tailgate, if you just kick underneath the rear bumper, it'll close the back tailgate for you automatically. It works in conjunction with your smart key system, so you want to make sure you have the key fob on you at all times. If you have the key fob on, inside the vehicle, when you're trying to use this feature, it actually won't be able to work. You have to make sure you have the key fob on you at all times. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.